Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm Akeem, and this right here is where we provide all you past members insider knowledge on cool things you can do in the park and unique tidbits on how to make your visit an epic one. You may know a lot about the park, but I'd be hard-pressed to believe you know every little detail about what we have here at Universal. Universal Creative likes to hide little Easter eggs all around the park, and in Transformers The Ride, you'll see the names of the creative team members hidden in little details all throughout the attraction. When you're on Fast and Furious Supercharge, you'll notice the number 469 hidden throughout the ride. That's because during development, the code name for the attraction was Project 469, and the number remains as an homage. So here we are at the Despicable Me Minion Mayhem ride, and one thing you may not notice is just how immersive this entire land is. Like just right here along Gru's neighborhood, you can press the doorbells, and I'm gonna use my finger to press some. Let's go. All right, doorbell, speak to me, who's home?
Uh-oh.
Just open up, guys. The attention to detail is what makes the park so immersive. So don't be scared to go out, explore, and find your own adventure. We barely scratched the surface of the hidden gems unique to Universal Studios Hollywood. This is only the beginning of our epic adventure. I'm Akeem, the insider here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and I'll see you guys in the next one.